Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Haseeb Electronics. Friends, in this video I am going to discuss how to troubleshoot a heater jug, electric kettle. This is one for my friend. He brought it to me, and today I am going to discuss how to test it. Set multimeter to ohm and connect both leads together to check it, to verify your multimeter. Now multimeter is working. Take power plug, power connector, turn on this switch, this power switch, turn it on, and now connect both leads to the power plug. You can see it is giving us open. It is not giving any continuity. So I have to open this. First I have to check the power cable. I will connect one lead to the inner ring and one pin, and then to the outer ring and the second pin. You can see it is giving a continuity. Friends, if you are new to my channel, after watching this video, if this video is good for you, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to watch my future videos, you can press bell icon. It is up to you, and you can share, you can like. If this video is good for you, you may write some comment, and if this video satisfies you, write something. Now, after verifying the cable, the problem inside the heating element, we can see we cannot find any continuity. I connected to both rings. There is nothing. These slip rings are connected here. They make electrical connection in the base and the jack. Three screws. We will remove these 3 screws, and after that there are plastic locks. We will remove that. If you want to watch my videos in Urdu or Hindi language, you can swap to Haseeb Electronics. This Haseeb Electronics Chowkazm channel. The other one is Haseeb Electronics only. That's for Urdu and Hindi videos. अगर आप मेरी वीडियोस उर्दू या हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो आप मेरे चैनल पे जा सकते हैं, वहाँ पे लिंक मौजूद है. We will take a screwdriver, common or flat screwdriver, and slightly lift it up. From here there are plastic locks, notches. Slightly lift it up. From all sides, move it upwards slowly. There are 2 leads for indicator. Now we will take multimeter to inner ring and the one contact. Now turn on the switch and check. Oh, we can see here is a disconnection. I will try to keep it closer, bring it closer to more clear view. We can see here is the disconnection. The metal contact, it is disconnected from the heater element. This is our problem. Now we will check continuity from both sides. It's working. This side it has the switch and thermal circuit breaker. That is okay. That means the problem is from this joint. We have continuity until joint. and the resistance for the heating element, it is good, 53 ohm. Connect multimeter to the both end of the heating element, it is 53 ohm. Using a fine file, Euler file, we will make grinding to remove the corrosion, and carbon from the terminal of the heating element. Clean it carefully. Never apply too much force, it will break. Now we can see before that it was 53 ohm, now 27 ohm. Now it is good connection. Yes, now we have to make some solution. Now I will rotate it around the terminal. And we will punch it, we will press it using a parrot plier. We will press it firmly so that it will make a close contact with the heating element. Press it. Press it, and now we have to make soldering. Apply some amount of soldering flux. And here we need a heating gun, 200-watt soldering iron, because this joint cannot be made by soldering iron. You need soldering gun because it have too much heat. And this lead joint, it need too much heat. Only soldering will not enough. First you have to make a good physical touch with two metals. Check continuity as a final check. Yes. 388, 399 ohms. And now it's okay. It's working now. Now we will cover it. Install the outer cover. It have just a very simple circuit. There is a one circuit breaker, that's thermal circuit breaker. At a specific temperature, when it starts boiling, this thermal circuit breaker trips off. It automatically disconnects the power for heating element. So friends, if this video is good for you, if this video is suitable, you have some technical information in this video, you can subscribe. And if you want to watch my future videos, you can press bell icon button so you can find my every new video update well in time. Now after this, we will check a final check continuity, ohmic value. You remember when we connected before repairing, there was no indication. Now it is giving ohmic value. Now as a final test, we will put some amount of water and we will connect it to power. Yes, some amount of water, and we will see it. I will connect power cord to electrical socket, and I turned on the circuit breaker. Oh yes, it is heating up. It started heating up. I will cover the lid so that it will heat up fastly. And we will check if the circuit breaker trips off, then it is good. Oh yes, heating up. Take care and keep watching my videos. If you have any comment, please don't hesitate to write your comment, your question in the comment box. I will thankful and I am thankful for your time to watching my video.